Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. If you use Microsoft 365 in your business, logging in is about to get a little bit quicker. Right now, when you log into 365 using MFA, that's multi-factor authentication, you need a separate app on your phone. The app generates a single-use passcode that gives you access to your Microsoft account. This is great because MFA adds strong layers of security to the login process. But it takes up valuable seconds of your time. Microsoft wants to save you those seconds and give you a better experience. Its new feature, called Authenticator Lite, lets you go through MFA security directly within the Outlook app on your Apple or Android device with no need to open a second app. This is a great move from Microsoft. There's no desktop version yet, but it's a glimpse of how easy it'll become to log in quickly without compromising security. If you don't already use MFA across your accounts, we strongly recommend you enable it wherever possible. It's not difficult, but it does offer protection against the vast majority of today's cyber threats. For expert help setting up MFA in your business, get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.